Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. It is again a continuation of chapter 1 session 3. This is the final session for your chapter 1 and chapter name is Computer Fundamentals. The topics under this chapter is language, computer language and types of computer language, software, types of software and network and types of network. Previous class we have discussed the first 3 topics, that is language, computer language and its types, software and its types. This is over. In last session we have discussed an introduction about network. So in this session we will see in detail about networks. Clear students? So in this session we will discuss in detail about networks. Next, what is the network? Do you remember the last class? So what is the network? 2 or more computers interconnected is called as a network. Yes, if one computer is there, we say it is a one computer. If 2 or more computers is there and there are connection between these computers, we say it is a network of computers. Clear students? Right. So what are the types of networks? Right. LAN, MAN and WAN. Good. So see to the definition students. A network is the group of interconnected computers that allows people to share the information and equipments. Nice. Thorough with this definition, it is very important. Next, what are the types of networks? Local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Yes. Say along with me. Local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Now we are going to see these 3 networks in detail. First one is local area network. Nice. See, it is a small geographical area. That is, it covers a small area. For example, consider our school. This is a local area network. Consider the home. It is a small network. So, consider some office. Consider your father's office. So, these are areas of small geographical area where the computers are connected together. Do you understand? So local area network means what it is? It is the connection of computers across a small geographical area. Connection of computers across small geographical area. Do you understand students? Under local area network we have 3 types of topology. What do you mean by topology? Topology is nothing but arrangement of computer. If you arrange computer in a circle manner, we say it as the computers are arranged in circle. Yes, if we arrange it in square, we say it is arranged in square format. Same way, in this local network, we have 3 major types of topologies. Yes, first one is ring. Can you see there the ring topology? Yes, which is rounded, right. Next we have star topology where systems are arranged in star manner. Next is bus topology. See there how the systems are arranged, right. Do you understand the 3 types of topology? What will be topology? Arrangements of computers. So what are 3 types we have? Ring, star, bus. Clear students? Next is the metropolitan area network. It is bigger than LAN and smaller than WAN. It is bigger or larger than LAN and it is smaller than WAN. It connects 2 cities. For example, Coimbatore and Mumbai is connected. Do you understand? Yes. Tripur and Coimbatore is connected. So when these computers are connected, so we say it is metropolitan area network where the cities are connected. Do you understand? So it is larger than LAN and smaller than WAN. The last network is the wide area network. It connects the computers across large geographical area. It connects cities, states, countries and continents. The whole world is interconnected. Yes, we are able to talk to our relatives, those who reside at US, those who reside at Australia, those who reside at Thailand, those who reside at Saudi. Yes, etc. So nowadays it is possible to communicate with anybody across the world. So this connection is done by our wide area network. Yes, next one is the application of networks. Where and all this computer is connected? Yes, where are the possibilities of this computer is connected? For example, electronic data interchange. For example, we want to send email. If you want to, we are transmitting WhatsApp. So it is possible only because of network, isn't it? Without internet, is anything possible? No. So this is EDI. Next is teleconferencing. Nowadays we are seeing in our television and all through teleconferencing. Yes, our chief minister opens this particular function, right? So this is called as teleconferencing. Next is cellular telephone, our mobile network. Next is cable television. Yes, so these are examples of application of networks. Reservation of airlines, trains, buses. Previously we'll be going and we'll be standing in queue for booking the tickets, but nowadays everything is possible in a fraction of a second. Yes, and your medicines we can obtain by online. Next is ATM. Yes, we don't want to go for bank, internet banking. Same thing, we can use the mobile phones. Yes, and we can access our accounts. So these are the application of networks. Hope you are clear students. Yes, it's time to recall. So what is the network? Network is a group of interconnected computers that allows people to share the information and equipments. So what are types of network? LAN, MAN and WAN. What are the types of local area network? Star, bus and ring. So what are the application of network? We have seen. Yes, just you can go through. Yes, next we have come to questioning session. For this 1 mark I have given you match the following. These contents we have discussed in the previous video. Yes, if you have doubt you can go through it. Yes, next is 2 mark. I have given you 1 2 mark. Write the applications of network. Yes, hope you understand. Yes, I hope the session is very clear for you. With this your chapter 1 is over. Thank you students. Bye bye.